Hi, besties.
Hi.
Say besties.
Hi, besties.
Welcome back to my channel. We have a special guest with us today. This is my fiance, Brian.
Hello, everybody.
And the cats are meowing already.
Yes, they are.
So today we have a fun haul. We're going to do a Temu haul, but it's a collab with TNT Hauls, Tammy, and her husband, Johnny. And we did another mystery swap, so I don't know what she sent me. But first we're going to open some friend mail that I've got, because we're going to put some cards up, more cards up here. So if you want to send me a Christmas card, you can do so. My address is down in the description box. So I'm going to try not to show anyone's address, but I just want to acknowledge everyone's sending me things. So we got this card from Birdie. Thank you, Birdie. I did get your card, and she sent me, I don't want to read these because some of it's kind of personal on the inside, but some of Birdie's family signed this too. Lexi, her granddaughter, and she said Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, love Ashley, Birdie, and her granddaughter. And then she also sent me some other paper things to use in journals and everything. So thank you so much, Birdie, and I'll be sending you back a card. Do you want to just put those over there as I go through them? Oh, I hope I didn't show the address. Okay, this one is from Jen in South Carolina. Jen, another Jen. I thought this was really pretty. It doesn't look like a watercolor painting. Really, really pretty card. And thank you so much. Merry Christmas to you and your family from Jen. I love that card. So pretty. And then it has a little, I love these wax seals. They are so pretty. And then Jacqueline from Michigan sent this card, and this is stinking adorable. Look at that. It looks like a diamond painting almost. Look at that. So pretty. And then she put a couple of stickers on the inside, and really, really pretty cards. So thank you. I'll be sending you a card. And then this is from DJ in California. And like I said, I don't want to read the inside because it's personal, sort of, but really cute card with some birds on it, which I love. And DJ says that she likes my thick glasses, and I do too. Thank you. And then she sent me some really cool stickers too, so I could use in journals. And then last but certainly not least, Donna from, I think this is Mississippi, sent me a card. Look at this envelope. That is so awesome. Sent me a card. Look how pretty. It's a pretty Christmas tree. And she also sent me soap that she made. Yeah. Look how pretty that is. Smell it. Bubbly Buds by Donna Sue. And look how pretty this bar soap is. It's like a, is this an ornament, do you think?
Looks like a
looks like a Christmas ornament. It smells so good. And she put Wind Song Pine on the back. It smells really, really good. Does she make it? Yeah, I guess she makes her own soap. So there's her email if you guys want to email her. Good. And she's from Mississippi, and she makes her own soap. I mean, this is so pretty. I love it. It smells so good. Okay, so we're going to hang up those cards later after this video. All right, so let's get into this haul. I don't know what all is in here. Again, it's a mystery swap with TNT Hauls. So please go check out her channel and see what I got her. And I will link her channel in the description box and the pinned comments. You guys can go check it out. Please like and subscribe and watch.
Yes.
Yay. You look... You're so excited.
I am excited.
So excited. Okay, I don't know what we're pulling out of here. Okay, so first item says Fragile. I think that's French.
Yes, French.
Yes, French for something. Fragile.
That's coasters.
Coaster? I don't know. Oh, no. I can't get...
Whoa.
Here, would you open that for me?
Yes.
Okay, we got it open. Aww. It's a little ornament. It says, I wish you lived next door. We always say that to each other.
Really?
Yeah, I love that. It's so cute. I love it. How sweet. I wish you lived next door, too. I love that. Aww, it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, next is this item, which I'm going to have to assume is for Brian.
Probably.
I'm going to have to assume, because it's a hat. What kind of a hat is it? What does it say on it? Show the camera.
I'm sorry I missed your call. I was on the other line. It's a fishing hat.
It's a fishing hat.
Yeah.
Yay! Brian's a fisher angler.
Yes.
Angler extraordinaire over
Very
here.
much so.
That's cool. All right. Then I got she got me this pair of earrings. I hope I'm in frame, guys. I feel like I'm not. So I usually sit way over here like this, but
I'm taking up all the room.
yeah. Taking up all my room. Oh, these are really pretty, look.
Oh, she got me earrings.
No, these are for me. They're little cross earrings, which I love. So pretty. Although you could probably wear one if you want to.
One.
Bleep your face out. Those are really, really pretty. I love those. Aww. She picks out good stuff. We've gotten to know each other very, 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 very well. And we have a lot in common, and we've become very, very close friends. So she knows me very, very well. Okay, let's see what's in here. Looks like maybe a mug or something.
Oh, my.
I'm not sure.
Styrofoam.
Styrofoam. Oh,
Yes.
Crazy cat lady.
Yeah,
oh my gosh.
That's you.
Boy, you ain't kidding. You are not kidding there, chick. That is so cute. Look, it's got a little this one looks like Kermie down here. We're shaking the table. Let's see. Oscar would be this one.
Yeah, the one with his tongue hanging
This
out.
would probably be Oscar. And then this is definitely Delilah. Look at the face on the cat. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, I love that. I'm going to take that to work with me tomorrow so I can have my coffee out of it. Okay. Next up is a little makeup bag. So I assume it's not for you.
No, it's not for me.
I love this. This is so pretty. It says, to my sister in Christ, we might not share the same mother, but we share the same Father. He brought you into my life for a reason, and I thank him every day. A sister in Christ is a sister for life. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. Which one's me? That's so cute. I love that. Which one do you think's me? The short hair or the longer hair?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Because I put my hair up in a bun sometimes too. Okay, next is this necklace. Sweetie, I hope I'm in frame.
Yeah, you are.
What if I'm not? Okay. This is a necklace. Ooh, this is really pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Why is the chain fell out. Okay, I'll put the chain back on, but look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. Hold on, let me fix the chain, guys, so you can see it with the chain. This is really pretty. Really, really pretty. I love it. Hopefully it'll focus. We have to cover our faces to get to focus. I love that. That is really pretty. Thank you so much for that. She is so thoughtful. She buys the most thoughtful things. I hope she likes everything that I bought.
I'm sure she does.
I hope she does. Okay, then I think that one's for you, so you can open that one.
Yeah. I like
I'm
it,
stealing
so.
all the show over
Look at
here.
that.
Woo! That is nice. Show the camera,
That's
sweetie.
sparkly.
Show the camera.
Hang on, I'm new to this.
I'm new to the. There you go.
You gotta block your face out.
Yeah. Gotta block your face out. Hold it up higher. There you
Oh.
go. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
I love that. It's like a American flag. That chain's really nice too.
Hey, it matches my hat.
What? Oh, the cats are. Oh, the cats are in your mom's Christmas presents.
Oh, jeez, cats.
So there's that. She probably can get Christmas presents with cat hair all over them. We need to put that in the back room.
Yeah.
Okay, next, while Brian's getting his necklace fixed up, is this. Ooh, this is really pretty too. Ooh, another necklace. This is a heart with a cross. She is so thoughtful. I don't think I bought her any heart jewelry. What was I thinking?
Yeah, what were you thinking?
What was I thinking?
Terrible friend.
I am a terrible friend now. That is so pretty. I love that too. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Was the holding it the right way? Yeah, it was. This is so pretty.
See, it matches my hat.
Oh, yeah, it does match your hat. Nice. I like it.
I like
It looks good. Looks good on you.
Yeah.
Looks good on you. Really, really pretty necklace. You put that away for me. Okay. She bought all of this really pretty stuff. She's so thoughtful, like in the heartfelt kind of way. And sometimes I am, and sometimes I forget that I need to be more like that. Aw, this is cute. Or sweet. It says, many people will walk in and out of your life, but only a true friend leaves footprints on your heart. Oh, I love that. Thank you. These are so cute, too. This is a really cute pair of earrings. These are little paw print earrings. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. How cute are these? Hold on. Let me hold them so you guys can see them. They're really tiny, but... And this one's like a little cattywampus over here. There it goes. Look how cute those are. Oh, I love those. Those are so nice. Brian can be the guy that bags stuff up.
Yeah.
I think this is for me too. Oh, this could be for both of us. She bought a lot of very, very heartfelt things. It says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I like that. I have that hanging up in the living room right now, I think. That's really pretty. I like that. Really pretty ornament.
We need to put our tree up.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's see. You open that, because I have a feeling. That might be for you.
Yeah, more fishing stuff.
More fishing stuff. Show it to the camera. It's like I'm showing him what's it say?
Born to fish, forced to work.
Boy, if that ain't the truth.
Boy, if that ain't the truth.
Oh, look at the back. Look at the back. Look at that. What does that say?
Even gives nutrition
Fisherman, nutrition facts. Patience,
patience,
relaxation, excitement, honesty, and embellishment. That is funny. I like that.
The relaxation should be like 1,000% when I'm fishing with you.
Yeah, I don't know about that. You're probably stressed to the max when you fish with me.
Yeah. Honesty, 0%, yeah.
0%, no doubt.
Thank you.
Look at me just sitting over here smiling like,
If I could
it's
only
fun to
fish
have
for a
somebody.
living.
Yeah, I know, right? This is the same saying as the other sister in Christ, the bag that I just showed a little bit ago, except it's a little... That is so cute. I'm going to put that in my makeup room. Yeah, it matches your shirt.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay, 2 more items to go. I love the Crazy Cat Lady mug. Oh gosh, this is so cute. I love bookmarks. I always forget I don't show like opening the package. I don't know why. Someone said to me before, you should show the package when you're opening it. But when I do that,
way
then
they probably don't think you've looked at it already. And
well, I do look at my stuff. I mean, not this stuff, but my
Yeah.
regular stuff I do. To be continued, and there's a bee on it because I love bees. I love bee anything. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, and then there's like a little feather kind of charm on the end. That's really neat. I love that. Thank you. 1 more item to go. I feel like this went really fast.
it did.
I talk too fast, I guess.
Yeah.
I move through things so quickly. Oh, look, this matches kind of your necklace. It's a necklace, and the necklace fell off, but look at it's like a heart with the American flag on it.
Maybe it's for me.
I don't think so. I think it's from now we're gonna get we can have matching necklaces sort of, because you have an American flag too.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Jeez. Just what I
Oh,
wanted.
say can you see?
Oh gosh.
Hey, I'm trying to be patriotic over here.
I'll sing it like that.
Really pretty. I love that. I love that. I love doing these mystery swaps because it's just fun to buy things for people and to get things. And I just want to say, Tammy, thank you so much. And Johnny, thank you so much. We're looking forward to the summer. I think we might go on a little trip
To Tennessee.
together, so that will be super fun. And so yeah, if you want a link to any of this, maybe go over to Tammy's channel and ask her for a link. I feel like I'm leaning in really close.
Okay.
I feel like I'm leaning in way too close, but anyway, so you can go to her channel and get links for the look at me moving the table.
I know.
I need a
You're
new
not
table.
used to 2 people
No,
being
I'm
here.
not. I don't have to worry about taking up so much room.
Or me taking up so much room.
Yeah. See, we should have been like this.
Yeah, push me out of the frame.
Yeah, I want all the attention, I guess. Yeah, typical.
Typical you.
Typical me. No, that's not true. Anyway, so please go over and check out Tammy's channel, TNT Hauls.
What?
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Oh,
Were you going to
yeah.
say something?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Please go check out Tammy's channel. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you, Tammy, for everything that you bought.
Thank you for my stuff too.
Yeah, it was really awesome. I love collabing with Tammy, and we become really good friends. So I really appreciate her and her husband and their family, and they're very, very good people. So check out her channel, and I will see you in the next one.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.